In everyone's life, it is inevitable to encounter pain and low tide. These moments may make us feel lonely and helpless, as if the road ahead has been covered by darkness. However, please believe, you're not alone. Through the wisdom of Buddhism, we can not only find inner peace, but also gain endless strength and hope. This article will take you out of the darkness and find a new light. All the hardships in life are part of practice. Every heart is a treasure. When you face pain, you should realize that this is an inner cultivation. Buddhism teaches us to accept pain and turn it into the power of growth. When you feel lonely and sad, you might as well sit still and meditate, let your heart settle down, and find inner peace. Pain is an indispensable part of life, but it is not an unbearable weight. Pain can be the driving force for us to move forward and make us stronger and more intelligent. When you experience pain, try to understand its root cause and find a solution. In this way, it can not only reduce the inner pain, but also make us more tenacious and intelligent. Inner peace is not a goal that can be achieved overnight, but after long-term practice and introspection. Buddhism teaches us to treat every life with compassion and love, so that we can get real peace of our hearts. When you face difficulties, try to calm down and feel the peace of your heart. In this way, you will find that no matter how the outside world changes, your heart can remain stable and peaceful. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of love and compassion, which is an important force to heal the soul. When you feel pain, you might as well spend more time with those who need help, so that you will find that your heart will also be healed. Love and compassion can not only make us more inclusive and intelligent, but also bring infinite hope and possibilities to our lives. Everyone is unique, and the important thing is to find a way that suits you. Buddhism teaches us to respect the choices of every life and accept different views and methods with an open mind. In this way, we can truly understand and accept ourselves, find our own path, and move towards a bright future. Pain and low tide are part of life, but they are not obstacles that cannot be overcome. Through the wisdom of Buddhism, we can learn to accept and transform pain and find inner peace and strength. No matter how rugged the road ahead is, please remember, you're not alone. May you find light in the dark. May you find peace in pain. May love and compassion always accompany you, and may wisdom and strength lead you forward.